Hi, it's Tom with BV Security, and today I want to show you a really cool camera. What you're looking at here is our model IRD 801-4in1-8MP-W. What you have here is an 8 megapixel analog camera. This camera is great for any kind of upgrade situation where you may already have coax cable in place and there's not a budget for pulling new cable. You've got your BNC connector, and as long as your recorder supports 8 megapixel, all you need to do is power it up and plug it in. One really cool feature that you're going to get on this camera is there is some dip switches right here on the pigtail. And by using these dip switches, I can actually change the format of this camera. So if you have TVI, CVI, AHD, or standard analog, all you need to do is set your switches, close the cap back up, and you're good to go. Now, one thing that I really love about this camera is the size. You're getting an 8 megapixel camera in a very small form factor. This is great for residential, for vestibules, entryways, anything like that, where you don't want a big honking camera in your face. You can set this up right next to the door or inside someone's home without it being too obtrusive. So what's really cool about this camera is you're getting high resolution 4K video in a very small form factor. That makes this camera great for any kind of residential installation where a customer might not want a big camera sitting on their house or inside their home. Another great spot to use this camera is in any kind of entryway or vestibule where you might not have a lot of space, but you still want to get a great image. The 2.8 millimeter lens will ensure you get a very wide shot, and the 4K image sensor ensures you get the most detail you can possibly get in an analog camera. If this looks like something that might work for you, click the link below, take you to our website where you can find this camera plus anything else we've talked about. Right there, bvsecurity.com. Again, this is Tom with BV Security. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time where we talk about some other great cameras that you can pick up from BV Security.